idea who you are, Teresa, but happy birthday, doll. Hope it's a cracker. Oh, that's Gaelic for today. Co-là-breith sona ghout, or Co-là-breith sona ghù-eev. So you say ghù-eev to someone older, or to someone to whom you have respect. So, Co-là-breith sona ghout for someone on your kind of level, or like an old person or someone you respect, you say Co-là-breith sona ghù-eev. So yeah, that's Gaelic for today. Howdy, how's formed yet all? I've been really quiet on the old YouTube front lately because I've had, I suppose, a creative block. You know, writers get writer's block. I've just been really struggling to try and think of stuff to film. I didn't want to just film anything for the sake of it, because you'd know that I wasn't putting my effort into it, and I wouldn't want that to reflect in the vlogs and the stuff I do on YouTube. Oh my goodness, this is so slippy. So yeah, I've had a quiet spell, but I have been productive with my time. I have been trying to learn more about editing, trying to push my edits a bit more. I've been trying to get my head around colour grading and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I've got my mojo back though. Just had a wee spell there where I was just like, just so a wee bit flat. Been so quiet work-wise, maybe that's part of it. But yeah, I've got my mojo back. Anyway, today's all about stepping aside football. Thomas Reid organised this game on a Thursday, 3 PM kickoff, and it takes a wee while to get your head round it. You know, you're playing football on an afternoon when you could or maybe should be working. But I should really savour these moments, because if and hopefully when the work picks up, I won't be able to take part in these games. So enjoy it while you can, Calum. Kick off. What's that goal, Thomas? Well in there. What a goal that was, by the way. Yeah. Still here. On camera too. Video nasty. Wait. Go here, done. That's it. You need big. Oh, what finish. Fantastic. Good ball done, lads. 2 up. That's it. You need big. On a hat trick, thanks. Fantastic. 2 to the left as well. Oh, yes! Hey guys, keep up. Right, we've got half an hour. Ross, flick it, mate! Yes! Right, keeper touched it, didn't he? Ross! Look at me! Yeah! Stop! Get over! Gordon's there, Gordon's there! Right close! Yes, Thomas. Right, go on you. Yes, Thomas. Go, hit it, John, hit it, mate. Hit it, John. Right, oh. That's good. Hit it, John. I'm knackered. Okay, so it's Thomas Reid.
Hello.
Football organiser extraordinaire.
Yeah, Big Match UK.
Yeah.
The website's coming out. I've got a meeting tomorrow about the website,
really?
So hopefully it'll be up and running soon.
Quality. How many games a week do you organise?
At the moment it's about between 10 to a dozen. So that's, yeah, I'm just trying to bring football to everyone, regardless of ability, gender, size. You'll see some guys are big, some guys are small, ethnicity. You know, we've got a League of Nations out there, so just trying to get a game for everyone.
How do you do it?
I'm mainly so far from Gumtree,
yeah.
And also a very patient fiance who doesn't mind me being on my phone 24 hours a day. But it's great fun, as long as people enjoy the football, that's all I want. Yeah. You know, I don't really worry about standard or, you know, your age. You know, we've got, youngest guy we've got is like 15, but we've got guys up in their 60s. So I just want football for everyone. That's what my target is, definitely.
That's it, football for everyone. Thomas Reid.
The universal language of football.
Peace out. Well, I am absolutely knackered after a great game of football. Don't really know what to say other than that. I'm without chat. I'll say one thing though, the days are getting longer, which is quite good. This last time I was cycling home from football, this was all dark when I did a wee setup shot. So yeah, that's my bit of chat for just now. Tell you what, you can't beat a bit of exercise for giving you a wee pick-me-up and a wee boost. Yeah, it just makes me feel mentally good. I think this is what I was talking about in my New Year's resolution vlog. If I'm feeling fit, I feel good. So I am feeling good just now. I've done a lot of exercise lately, but I just need to keep it going. Need to eat right as well. I've changed my diet as well a wee bit, but I'll maybe get into that in another vlog. But yeah, exercise and good food, yeah, it makes me feel good. So hopefully now that I've got my mojo back, I'll be putting it more into the vlogs, if that makes sense. So anyway, because I'm in good form, I think Gaelic for today is Hami Mogoy. Hami Mogoy. That means happy as Larry, as the guy in, what's it called? The Scheme used to say. So yeah, Hami Mogoy. Hami Mogoy. That's it for me today. I think I'll just wrap things up. In fact, you know what? I'll do some press-ups when I get home, because I obviously want to be hitting 100 press-ups this year. Right, I better go. 2 hands on the I also want to see steering wheel, handlebars, steep hill coming up. Right, I'll chat to you back in the house when I'm doing press-ups. I get cleared from it. Okay, so it wasn't really that steep a hill, but I needed both hands on the handlebars just to like control my mule, you know. Wouldn't want to go into the canal now, would I? My parts horrendous at times. Cheers, Steve.